everybody, it's Kim. I want to thank you for clicking on the video and coming to ride with me today. I wanted to ask that you please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. That would be great. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you find it interesting. Or even if not, a thumbs up. I don't care how I get them, right? Anyways, this is going to be a ride with me. I'm going to try to update you each step of the way as I pick up and deliver orders. If you've never done with me before, I add in little random tidbits of information that may or may not be interesting or helpful, but kind of awkward talking to a camera and having no one talk back to you. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoy it. Today is Sunday, I think the 18th or 19th of September. I'm not really sure what the date is. Anyways, I'm a glutton for punishment. I decided to come back out again today. Yesterday was so-so, kind of slow. I ended up doing okay because I got a couple good ones at the end of the shift. I just did lunch yesterday. I didn't go out last night. So if it wasn't for those two, it wouldn't have been so good. But anyways, I did not record yesterday. So I just got a $14 and something cent Jersey Mike's going 3-point-something miles. I've picked up the food and I'm on my way to the person's house right now. It's a senior apartment condo complex kind of place. Sometimes it's kind of confusing, but everyone I've ever delivered there is so nice. So anyways, I took that one. And I've gotten a couple long distance Doordash offers that I did not accept yet. I just started like 5 minutes ago. So it's 11:35 right now. So probably 11:30 I started. I turned the app on while I was at my house still, but I didn't get anything. So then I just got in the car and decided I would drive a little bit. And as soon as I got a half block away, I got the Jersey Mike's. So anyways, yeah, so that's that. So anyways, yes, I don't know what to expect today. I mean, this is a good one to start with, but let's just hope that it continues. I wanted to talk about just how slow everything's been. This is homecoming weekend here, so I think that's why it's slow at night here. And the restaurants are very backed up. Well, Friday, I don't know what the problem was. Restaurants that are usually pretty good were backed up. Okay, Noah's, I'm never going there again. Decline, decline. Okay, I picked up that Urban Plates. It was ready, which is fantastic. I'm almost to the customer. Well, let's see. 6 minutes.
Onto Lindero Canyon Road.
It was not a long drive. Anyways, so I am going to drop that off and kind of try to work this area here a little bit. It's generally pretty busy on Sundays, but you just never know. It's a really strange, I don't know what the word is, but things have been very just not, I'm not going to say dead. I do get orders. I don't get a slew of orders. Maybe there's just a ton of drivers. I don't get bombarded with the $3 and $4 ones so much, but I will get a lot of long distance ones. So those are the ones that people are turning down. I don't think they're turning down the $3 and $4 ones. They just don't want to drive far, because those seem to be the ones I'm getting mostly, especially on DoorDash. Uber Eats is never very busy during the day. So I'm lucky if I get 1 or 2, maybe 3 offers on a weekend lunch shift from them. But, you know, every once in a while, I'll get a bunch of Uber Eats, so you just really never know. I do not have Grubhub on. I don't know if I'll turn it on or not. I'm just kind of done with them. But if it's dead, I will, just to give me that added app for potential deliveries. I don't mind unassigning those. And that's what I usually have to end up doing because most of the time the food isn't ready. And lately, a lot of times a restaurant has not even received the order. And they want, if you contact support, they want you to place the order and sit there and wait. And I'm like, I'm not doing that. So, Anyways, yeah. I haven't got any,
Turn right.
I shouldn't say that. I'm going to retract what I was just going to say. I haven't gotten very many shop and deliver orders, which is good because I don't want to do it. I got offered a PetSmart yesterday, so that's why I was retracting it. But that's the first one I got in a long time. It was not a shop and deliver, it was just a pickup
In
one.
half a mile.
But it was only like $6. It was only one item, but it was $6, but it was going like 8 or 9 miles. So I'm like, I'm not doing that. Especially if it's a giant bag of dog food or something. Oh, anyways, I'm almost to this customer. There's a bunch of turns here, so I'm going to turn this off so I can concentrate on my driving. But I'll be back. Okay, I dropped off that one. There was no added tip. It was still $11.50 or whatever it was. I just picked up a sweet green I accepted for $17.75, going 4-point-something miles. It's that sweet green, which is, I'm probably half a mile from there. It's supposed to be ready in 8 minutes, so it'll time out good by the time I get there. It's in the middle of a shopping center that's kind of crowded, so it'll take some maneuvering around. But anyways, pick that up, and then it's not going too far, so that'll be a good one. That's $14.75 it said. I don't know how many items it is. 3 items. But they're pretty good about having stuff ready. Knock on whatever, that hopefully that's true today. So far so good with the restaurants, which is awesome, but it is only 12 o'clock now, so that could change. So I've had a good first half hour. Well, it's been about 33-ish minutes. It's 12:03 right now, so been doing pretty good. I got a $14 and something cents and $11.50 so far. Anyways, yeah. Oh, I wanted to say something about the one that I delivered, the Jersey Mike's. The guy was waiting out front. So this is a senior condo complex. Everybody who lives there has to be, I don't know if it's 60, 55, whatever it is. They have so many stairs. I'm like, how do they expect these older people to climb up and down all these stairs? Anyway, so the man was waiting out front of his building at the top of the stairs, and he goes, I'm sorry, I can't come down to meet you, my knees will hurt. I'm like, no. I'm like, so I ran up the stairs to him. I'm like, thank you so much for coming out. I didn't have to try to find your apartment. And he goes, oh, this is my exercise for the day. But I feel like, wow, these people are kind of like captive in their house if they can't walk down all these stairs to go anywhere. Maybe there's a back way he could have walked. I don't really know, but I felt kind of bad. I'm like, no, I'm coming to you. Don't worry. I mean, I didn't expect him to even come out. I would have gone all the way to his apartment, but I know a lot of people don't do that, which I think is kind of rotten. I watch videos and read Reddit and, you know, Facebook posts and stuff, and some people are like, oh, at apartments, I just leave it at the front. I'm like, that's not really what we're paid to do. We're paid to take it to the person's house, whether they're an apartment, condo, high-rise, whatever. I think that you need to do your best to get it to them. I forgot to turn where I was supposed to turn. That's what I get for talking. I have to make you turn. I need to pay attention better. Anyways, so what I was gonna say is, I knew it was an apartment complex. I accepted it. I don't know if they're apartments or condos, to be honest. I accepted it fully knowing where I was going, and I was fully prepared to go to the customer's location. I know that these are seniors living there. I get it. And I wanted to go there just regardless. Yeah, so anyways. Don't take and accept an apartment order if you're not willing to go to the apartment. There you go. I have no idea if I even talked about this, but I picked up, well, first it was a Doordash for $11.50 from this Italian deli, going to this neighborhood over here. And then while I was sitting there, I got an Uber Eats, basically going to the neighborhood just across the main street from the other one. So I accepted that one, and they were both ready in about 5 minutes, 7 minutes or so. So I just dropped them both off. So the Uber Eats was only 9 something, but it really was like an extra 2 minutes worth of work. So anyways, that worked out well. That was like $21, $22 for that little run there. Yeah, so anyways, I'm doing good. It's not astronomical by any means, but the first hour was fantastic. Then I went into Panera to use the restroom and get a drink, and after that it was probably at least 10 minutes before I got anything at all. So that's always kind of scary. So that's why I took this 1151 from the deli, which I probably would have taken anyways. It was not very far. It was like 3 point something miles. So anyways, yeah. So that's those two, and now I am unemployed here. See if I get anything else. I want to see if my tips came in from the first one I did or not. It's been kind of a low week. Well, I haven't gone out very much, so part of the reason, but oh wow. Was this the first one today? Okay, it said it was supposed to be 1420, and instead it was 1520. So that was pretty good for that first one. That was the Jersey Mike's, where I met the guy at the stairs. So that was nice. Anyway, today's doing good. And this second add-on one was the lowest one I took. It was $9.80 something, I think, or $9.60 something. And that was for the add-on Uber Eats at the deli. Just accepted a double for Wendy's, $19.50 I think it said. Going a total of 5.2 miles. I just picked them up. They were both ready, believe it or not. That was a shocker. It's having me deliver in a strange order, so I have reorganized the deliveries, and I'm doing the closer person first and the further away one after, only because the first person is kind of on the route to the second, so I don't know why I'd go all the way past them and then come back to them.
Go past this light.
So I've decided to change the order. I don't know why the navigation does that sometimes. It kind of doesn't make sense. And both were supposed to be picked up at the same exact time.
Light, use the left
so I'm not sure if one order came in way before the other one or what, but regardless, I'm not going to drive right past this person and not deliver. So I'm going to deliver this one and then go to the second person.
Sign. Turn left onto West Wilbur Road.
It'll be fine. And yeah, so I'm ending up not where I want to be, but there is a grocery store not far from the second person. I'll probably just go to that store instead of the store I really wanted to go to, but that's okay. I like this one fine. It's fine. Okay, just delivered both of those Wendy's orders. Very easy. Came to $21. I don't remember what it said. It was going to be 19 something. So that was nice. Now I'm going to leave the apps on as I drive over to by the grocery store. If I get something great, if not, I'm going to the store. So we're good. So today was decent. I'm $59 in Doordash. Well, Uber Eats I haven't gotten on my tips yet, so I don't really know how much that's going to be. Probably like 25 bucks. And I did not do any Grubhubs, I don't think. So that's all I have. Not fantastic, but not bad considering it was really only 2.5 hours. Not even 2.5 hours. 2 hours and 15 minutes. So, not bad. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know how much I really have. Probably like 70. I don't know. I'll add it up, put it up here. So, 2 hours and 15 minutes. By the time I get to the store,